it's Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, where we carry the largest selection of wood flowers in the United States. Welcome back to our channel for another tutorial, and this tutorial is all about the rainbow. You guys, welcome back to another tutorial, and today is all about the rainbow. It is June, after all, as we're filming this and releasing this video, and that's all about Pride Month. We love Pride Month, and for this month, we're doing something a little bit different this year. We have both a dyed assortment in the rainbow, as well as a lovely, oh my god, this filler tied with a cute little rainbow bow at the end. The one thing I want to note about these two assortments, we will have them just for June, and $5 of the proceeds from each of these two different assortments will be donated to the Trevor Project per purchase. So as supplies last, grab them. It goes to a great cause. And for today, we're going to play with both of the assortments, and we're going to make a lovely, lovely wreath. I think this is going to work. Just like every other project, I dive in without trying it first, but I'm pretty sure this one will work. So let's jump into it and see what happens. The supplies needed: a rainbow assortment of sorts. Again, this one is available as we film this at ohyourlovely.com. And then I'm going to use the rainbow filler that we have for the month of June. This is broom bloom. And then a wreath form of some sort. Also, you're going to need glue gun or some staples or something else that you're going to use to attach everything to this wreath form. All right, my lovelies. So just to give you an idea of what exactly we're going to do. Remember when I said staples? I don't think I'm going to use staples. And what I meant by that is I take floral wire that is a little bit bendier. This is a 22 gauge, so this is paddle wire. I would cut a small piece of this off and then make a little staple to then take and slide into the piece. But because we're working, this would work better with a more like foam based. Because we're working with a grapevine wreath, what I am gonna do, and plus the broom bloom has a little bit of a sturdier stem, what I'm going to do is take little bunches. We're gonna put some glue right on the stems, and we're gonna slide it into the grapevine so that it's nice in place. And then we're gonna build this out with the colors. So a lot of this is just gonna be sped up because there's not a lot. Once you know what you're doing, you just kind of do it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Again, we're gonna use this lovely broom bloom in our rainbow coloring, and then we'll get to the flowers after this. So let's dive into it. As we get close to the end, everything is going this way. We want the finishing piece to go that way to finish it all up. So I have this much left, and I'm going to now intentionally change the direction so that we finish this off in a little of a nicer way. And we're not going to worry too much about kind of that little gap, because now we're going to start adding in the flowers. Now I did just cut off all of the top or the bottoms of the flowers so that we have as flush of a space as we can. You could keep those on if you want, but it just makes it easier for me to be able to get those into the spots. So now we're going to just gently place those in, and we're going to glue them into the broom bloom. As few or as many as you want. I don't know yet how many I want. I think a decent amount, but I still want the broom bloom peeking through too. So I will figure that out as we go. Alright, you guys, there you have it. The lovely rainbow wreath. And I know y'all love a good upside down test, so we're going to do that just to show you. There we go. You're going to have a little bit of broom bloom fly away. Just the nature of that type of filler. If you have the little wispies of the lovely glue gun strings, the little spider webs, if you will, take either a blow dryer, or I like to use an embossing gun because I have it on hand, and just gently go through that. It will make the glue kind of reactivate, melt it into place, and you no longer have those wispies. Again, the broom bloom filler, that's a hard one to say, y'all. That is a hard one to say. That, along with the rainbow assortment, is available for the month of June as we are filming this. It is 2022. And $5 of the proceeds from each of those assortments will be donated to the Trevor Project until they're no longer available. So check it out if you're interested. I'm putting this up on my front door. Oh, also I used the ribbon that was in the broom bloom, just slipped it through some of the grapevine, and now that's my little holder. So there you go. All right, let's wrap this up, shall we? If you're loving these videos, can't get enough, want to know when the next one goes live, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell. To find out about the 150 style solo wood flowers along with craft supplies and greenery, go to ohyourlovely.com. But before you go, let me give you something. Use the code YouTube30 to get 30% off your first order. All right, you guys, we will see you next week for another tutorial. I'm Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and you, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Bye, guys.